Hi, I'm Esther. I'm a makeup artist, and let's see what's in my bag today. So the first thing that I always start with is a good skin prep, because if the skin isn't right, then the makeup just won't sit the way that you want. And of course, my foundation. I have my foundation, my bronzer, my contour, my blush, and my highlight all in one place. And I love a good gloss. I always have at least 2 or 3 on me. And for lashes, my go-to is from Falscara Studio in the style Xtra Collection, because it gives you that fuller look without feeling heavy. And the application is so easy. So you go bond, wisp, seal, and that's it. And if you want 14 days of long-lasting wear, all you'd have to do is add your BondBoost and you're all set. And as a makeup artist, having lashes that you can customize to every eye shape is everything.